Hello everyone, I'm Yimi Hong. Today I would like to discuss my presentation of the DIY light chess. So, about the chess origin, the reason for this chess idea was heavily inspired by the recent pandemic in the form of COVID-19. It forces many people to stay indoors for a while, which forced many to use electronics for entertainment, which, while it is easily accessible, decreased the people's health both physically and mentally. To solve this situation, the chess ideas I have thought of, which could improve the situation, as I thought of the chess would be customizable, modular, and affordable for teenagers and adults with the creative ways to play indoors, as well as lights to shine the board if they wanted to. I also thought of the problems that can be solved as the board would have no sharp edges, the lights can be adjusted, and easy for players to use it. For the chess idea, I have thought four of them. For the first two are yin-yang light chess and bone and tusk light chess. The yin-yang light chess is heavily inspired by the yin-yang symbol, as the white area would be for the lights to shine, and the chess pieces are two yin-yangs as the alpha chess, while the half white and black circles are the minor chess pieces. As for the bone and tusk chess, there are three pieces of the board. The two can light up, while the river board cannot. The chess pieces are based on elephant tusks and skulls. For the other two ideas, there's the cookie light chess and DIY light chess. The cookie light chess is made of two pieces of the board that looks like a cookie split into half, while the chess pieces represented by various human body parts. Finally, for the DIY light chess, the board will be split into two pieces, as each board will shine with the river as well, as these river boards and the chess pieces areas will be light up as they're translucent. For the 6 random types of chess pieces and 5 different plays to use them on the board for different functions. In the end, I chose the DIY chess for it fits my original idea and is more better than the 3 other ones. After choosing the idea, I test out the chess model by using A4 size papers to make the chessboard, chess pieces, and chess plays. At first, it was quite flimsy design, which I had to use some sticky tapes to make the chess pieces stabilize and stay in place. While I was working on the chess on the 13th of April, one of my band members who told me to improve the game by adding practical, easy to learn, and have less character with less plot to add the more interaction for the users to make the game more interesting. As a result, it helped me inspire more details for the game idea. Later then, I had the modification and adjustments, which I played the game with my mother twice on the 22nd and the 24th of April to check the game's abilities. The first time I played in 22nd of April lasted for 45 minutes. However, haven't finished as the game was a bit complicated and the board was small, which my mother suggested the game might fit 10 years old or younger players. The second time we played it in 24th of April was finished in 40 minutes, which my mother suggested the chess pieces would be less while the board could be separated so they could prevent rivals to know what chess pieces will be placed on. After making the real-life model, I used SolidWorks to create the modeling by making 3D models of them, which I used the SolidWorks to make the chessboard, and then I made the chess plays in the form of a hexagon and 3 types of rectangles that have different holes, which is circle, rectangle, and 90-degree triangle. And finally, I also made the 6 different chess pieces: the grunt, the engineer, the alpha, the jack, the shield, and leader. For the chess details, as I made it, I added more details to make it look more realistic and more apparently. So the chessboard will have translucent areas with black, white, and blue. That also applies to the chess pieces and the chess plates, which they will be more life-size and more detailed. And also the chess pieces as well. They will be represented in different colors for easy identification. Finally, I wish the finishing touch by using key shot, so I could make the game more life-size and more comfortable, which the users would like the new design if they are created, as the game will be made of plastic, so it's more practical and more reliable method for the game to be made. So hopefully the game will be a successful design for people to play. So thank you everyone for listening to this presentation.